Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, regarding the TCS result, right? Many of the students have not received any email from TCS, either it is with respect to selection or with respect to rejection. Friends, the first thing which I want to tell you, please don't get panic. TCS is still sending the result. Day before yesterday result was announced. Yesterday also many people get. Today, now also many of the student has got the TCS result. See, TCS will send result on many factors like zone wise, college wise, right? Reason wise. So there'll be many factors will be there. So you need to wait for minimum 1 to 2 weeks. Then second thing, friends, I wanted to tell you. So your TPO placement cell has got some selected student list from TCS. Okay. If your name is not there, then also you don't get panic because this student have also received the direct mail from TCS. Okay. Even though your name was not there in the college placement cell. Okay. With TPO basically. So first of all, here, please see if you will get panic, then definitely you think about us. So it's like, see, for a parents, no, if their kids will get panic, if they will be in problem, then the parents also will not be happy and they will be also in trouble or problem. For us, if you guys will get so much panic, right? If you guys will get so much trouble, or if you guys will be in so much problem, then we will also not be happy. So that is the reason I'm making this video. Please don't get panic. Let us wait here. Give some time. I know your friend have already received the result, but not you. It's okay. Let me share one incident with you, and then probably you will be able to understand. See, one of the student, and I was directly chatting with him. Sir, I just wanted to tell that I buyed your course. I have done 15 in all section with both the codes. You taught very well. I have blind trust on you. Because of you, I have cleared Accenture also, but I did not get bashed. Even my college friends got bashed. You have, and they did average in all without any codes. Your friends has got def. It is very much, see, एक थ्री इडियट्स में एक कहावत भी है कि सबसे ज्यादा दुख तब होता है, दुख होता है जब फ्रेंड्स यू नो फेल करते हैं. I mean, if they fail in something, so definitely you will feel bad. But आपको बहुत ज्यादा दुख तब होता है जब आपके फ्रेंड टॉप कर जाता है. ओके, सो द सेम थिंग. So your friend has received, but I said the same thing. You can wait for 2 weeks. Now also I'm telling you guys, please wait. It might not be 2 weeks. Within few days only you will be getting the result. Sir, but my friend was in batch 14th April. He got batched. See, I have trust on you because you I have done all this. I know I will get batched. Okay, I said okay, please wait for 2 weeks. Okay, will I get interview call? I said yes. Okay, because now I am very scared. So I said batch status is not required, because once you get the interview mail from TCS, automatically you will be also getting the batch status. Now it is not required. So you don't have to get panic here. Please try to understand. Okay. I'm telling you, if you are not well, I am also not well. If you will get panic, I will also get panic. So please don't do that. Mail is required. I said yes. Will I get mail? I said if you're selected, you will definitely get. See, one of my friend who is not good at anything, I know him personally. He also got bashed. Hope so I will get. And thank you, sir. I said you never compare yourself with anyone. Okay, your friend did what or not. See, we should never think bad about anyone, whoever it is. Okay, you should only think about yourself. That's all. Okay. So no, sir. See, I never think about any other YouTube channel. I never have any competitor. I myself feel that I don't have any competitor because I always focus on my improvement. I always see where I can improve. I don't see who is doing what and accordingly I should improve. No, that way you should never do in your life. Okay. So I'm not comparing, but I know him personally. That's what I'm saying. No, that is still not acceptable. Okay. Then, sir, this is my college TPO has ended. My name is not there. Even I solved both the codes, and from every section, I solved 15 plus correctly. I just said okay because I know he is getting too much. you know, uh, he's taking too much tension. He's actually in the panic state. I said, sir, still I'm not shortlisted. How can this be possible, sir? I am rejected, sir. Please reply. I'm very depressed. Same thing I'm telling to everyone. Please do it. After some time, sir, just got, sir, love you, sir. And he has got selected for TCS Prime interview. Sir, you are the only one whom I can trust blindly. Because of you, I cracked Accenture. So I said that's why I asked you to wait yesterday. Now on the way to crack TCS, definitely we will guide here. You should not get panic here. Also, I'm telling, should not get panic. You will definitely crack, man. We will make it happen. Okay, friends, it's my humble request to each one of you. Please, okay, take care of yourself. You wait for some time. No, what is there in that? Okay, so many times it happens here. It takes time. Phase wise result will be there. Reason wise result will be there. State-wise result will be there. Sir, it seems some people got the mails regarding this is different person. So it seems some people got the mails regarding their selection for the next round. Do you have any information? If not selected, will there be a rejection mail? Yes, unless you got the rejection mail, wait for the result. Friends, see, everyone not will not be getting the rejection mail. So I had told in my previous videos as well. Okay. So suppose if 100 students are rejected, so TCS will be sending only rejection to 10 students, the 90 student they don't send a mail. This is the problem with the TCS. Okay, so you wait for 2 weeks and then I will make a video. You don't worry, yaar, but you need to have some patience. Otherwise, things are, it will become tough. Okay, so and I'm telling you, please prepare for the interview. Now, many of you are telling, sir, you are advertising your courses. Arey bhai, see, if someone needs it, okay, because everyone is not intelligent like the one who is commenting. Okay, so many people, they will regret after the interview that, see, this guy, you see, he got interview for prime role, but if he doesn't perform well in the interview, he will be rejected. So from 9 LPA he will be getting 0 LPA. Correct? Okay, so now here what we have done, we have covered all the question which was asked from Digital Ninja and Prime. That will help you to prepare. No, see, 500 rupees, it's not a big amount, because I know from a student I cannot take more than that, right? Because it's difficult for you to get. But if you get selected, per month you will be getting, if you get digital, 45 to 50,000. If you get prime, you will be getting around 60,000. So you will be getting a very good salary. 500 is nothing in front of that salary, right? Okay, even if you feel that it is not, see, first of all, you cannot feel that it is not useful, because we are already having the mock interview, so that, so if you have fear of interviews, feeling nervous before facing the panel, so that's the reason we started the mock interview, right? In 500 rupees, who will do one mock interview? You search on Google, they will charge you some 400 to 500 rupees. Along with all these courses, we are providing you common live mock interview, right? And then the people will say that, sir is doing this for earning. Arey yaar, if I want to earn, no, I will put 1,000 rupees and then I will advertise and people will buy. But no, my always intention is, I cannot do that with you all. If you are selected in TCS Ninja, and then if you are going and writing TCS Prime, I can still take money from you. But at this stage where you are struggling to get a job, I'm just charging so that I can pay these people, right? I can pay these people. I can pay who manages the group. So please don't regret later. This course is definitely going to help you in future as well. And TCS definitely, because lot of content and all these contents are the relevant contents. Okay, and all the questions of already asked in TCS, we have covered it. So this is definitely going to help you a lot. Now please understand, and once again I wanted to tell you, friends, please don't get panic here. Like, you think about your parents, you think about us also. So when you put so many comments, and I can only say that please wait, things are changing, and you will definitely get selection mails. Okay, if you have put effort during the written test, you will definitely get it. Please don't worry, I'm with you. And if any updates, if I get, I will definitely tell you. Please have a trust on online study for you. Please have a trust on Pratik sir. That's all. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon here. Take care.